Hello everyone, this is Dr. Navarro here to walk you through the process of locating your personal fact sheet. In Introduction to Employment online, you created a personal fact sheet, which is a list of information that you can use to complete applications, and you can also use it to complete your resume. Now that you're in Introduction to Employment 2, you are now tasked with creating a resume. So we will make sure that we can access our personal fact sheet so we can use that information to complete our resume. First, let's go to Google Chrome. So we're going to open Google Chrome. You should be logged in, and you're going to go to your Google Classroom. Now while that's loading, we're going to go to Google Drive. Google Drive is actually over here on this little waffle. There's a little waffle right here. We're going to click on that waffle, and we're going to go to Google Drive. That's where all your documents are kept, in Google Drive. Once Google Drive has loaded, you'll have a list of files up top. You'll have a classroom folder. You may have some files at the bottom. In order to find your personal fact sheet, you're going to click in this little search bar, and you're going to type in the word personal, P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L. We're going to search for that. There it is right there, personal fact sheet. You see it's located here. So we're going to open our personal fact sheet. And yours will be completed. This one is not, but yours will have your name, address, telephone number, date of birth. You'll have your education, your high school, Roosevelt Warm Springs. You'll have any previous work experience and references listed in this section, and you can use this to complete your resume. If you have any questions, please ask your instructor.